The problem is I've empowered you to be a tough guy. And I don't think you'd be a tough guy without the United States. And your people are very brave. But you're either going to make a deal or we're out. And if we're out, you'll...
حجي أب ساعات زين زلنسكي نايمج أرشا متن قطان مرسني سوزل السخاء أمريكا أنت حاجزا أقاريتها نحنا نحدا حاجزنا قريفنا وديكم يوم الصور أخيلكم يوم كتوفيكم أين حجزكم نخت استعاريكم سلازي نحنا بساعات زي حيلن جون نتسأق عن خنكم زلنا أمريكا هنا سلازي أمريكا حاجزا أنت أقاريتها يلهم من سلازي كتسمعنا هتقال لك أنا هذا سمعنا يدخلكم كحنا ودينا هنا داس يتكن إلينا كنوتسينا خابز حاجز أين حجزا كنا
fight it out. I don't think it's going to be pretty, but you'll fight it out. But you don't have the cards. But once we sign that deal, you're in a much better position. But you're not acting at all thankful. And that's not a nice thing. I'll be honest, that's not a nice thing. All right.
إزي حجيولو معلت مسؤول له interview أمونغو دونالد ترامب جي دي فانس كمونا يوكرين بريزيدنت زيلنسكي زتخايد على الكوينو انت هنا جندارجا argument كتعي خيدو حارن قلتني انت واحلهم ازي خاب عالمو دزارب زلو فايرال انترفيو لو معلت حجلكم متزلو دونالد ترامب مس زيلنسكي كررادو اذا مونغو يوكرينين راشنز كادلو وغن خقارت سيلوم كساوعيت مدب نيرو انت هنا جن حارن قلتن انت واحلهم ات مولو تحستو حجلكم متزلو سنه مكتال
You align yourself too much with Putin. What's your message for them?
Well, if I didn't align myself with both of them, you'd never have a deal. You want me to say really terrible things about Putin and then say, hi, Vladimir, how are we doing on the deal? That doesn't work that way. I'm not allowed.
استغاث مس فلاديمير بوتين بقى مسو ببزح تسامع لها وي ناوغز كاتززي لها إذا كومزبل زربات تسمع لنا حق ديو مسمني هذا لها يعملوا حاجة أنا دولار فلاديمير بوتين يقول لي أخذ لكم دخم ترولي ده حارب بالتليفون دوي لخا دينو كم زمالته يوي لخ الزارب تسامع عن تروحان كم حارسب الناس عن كهت متسأل لك أنا مس حزب أمريكا يناتي سمع أنت قلنا قلنا نزوم قلت حاجات كسامع تخلنا مس دونالد ترامب مس ناي راشا بريزيدنت فلاديمير بوتين كمون مس ناي يوكرين بريزيدنت زيلنسكي كرادة علني أيمستي أنا إني سلامي يزمت زلهم.
I'm not aligned with anybody. I'm aligned with the United States of America and for the good of the world. I'm aligned with the world, and I want to get this thing over with. You see the hatred he's got for Putin. It's very tough for me to make a deal with that kind of hate. He's got tremendous hatred, and I understand that. But I can tell you the other side isn't exactly in love with, him either. So it's not a question of alignment. I'm aligned with the world. I want to get the thing set. I'm aligned with Europe. I want to see if we can get this thing done. You want me to be tough? I could be tougher than any human being you've ever seen. I'd be so tough. But you're never going to get a deal that way. So that's the way it goes. All right, one more question.
أنا نسلام يتسعر أنا نسلام عالم نخسف يتسعر له أيمستي مس إيروباني نكسامعت خنا مسون كسامع مشكلة كسامع جن تقند على ماي نسلامي أيمستي أنا وقلنا يكون كل.
Hey, I will respond to this. So look, for 4 years.
Is it JD Vance بحالي?
Years in the United States of America, we had a president who stood up at press conferences and talked tough about Vladimir Putin, and then Putin invaded Ukraine and destroyed a significant chunk of the country. The path to peace and the path to prosperity is maybe engaging in diplomacy. We tried the pathway of Joe Biden of thumping our chest and pretending that the president of the United States' words mattered more than the president of
نربعة عامات قدم جو بايدن مرحة كله مالتي بحيل ناسي راشخة نمبركها ناي نواتن ناي سلطن حاجز نهاب ناي يوكرين تقاليس ناينا انت هنا ازي كونن سلام دمت ازي منقد ازي فتينايو بعد جو بايدن مرحة كله مالت اي تعوتنا سلازي ازي منقد ازي تسرح يكونن تسرح دبلوماساوي منقد دي بدبلوماساوي منقد دي عفل بخانا نفحكا نحنا امريكا نابلكا دي كونه بأفك أمريكا إن حالاتنا نيدبل كيكون أب جبريوتي كأني نجاس لذي بدبلوماساوي من قد نجار كن فتحه كم تلنا سكر دعك مالني بزيقة دونالد ترامب نسلام زقوي زلوا.
The United States' actions What makes America a good country is America engaging in diplomacy. That's what President Trump is doing.
እዚ ኸ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ዝገብሮ ዘሎ ንሰላም እዩ ዝጎይ ዘሎ
I ask you?
ኣብዚ ፕሬዚደንት ዘለንስኪ ንጄዲ ቫንስ ክሓተካ ዶ ኢሉ ክሓቶ እዩ ኣብዚ ኢኻ እታ ትጅምርታ ቀንዲ ክትዕ እዚኣ ቁርብ ስምዖ ሙድዑ መጨረሻ መልሲ ክንህብ ኢና
Yeah?
Okay, so he occupied our parts, big parts of Ukraine, part of East and Crimea. So he occupied it on 2014. So during a lot of years, so I'm not speaking about just Biden, but those time was Obama, then President Obama, then President Trump, then President Biden, now President Trump, and God bless, now President Trump will stop him. But during 2014, nobody stopped him. He just occupied and took. He killed people. You know what the contact line?
2015.
بمجمرتا فلاديمير بوتين نا يوكرين مريت زحصل له اwan 2014 بدحريو خا 2015 حزوان يرو كساب حجي مريتنا اي وصلنا نزبل له تي تاريخ ناوي كنملسنا تنزدقسن طيح نقركم 2016 دونالد ترامب مرحن يريو كساب 2010 مالت الدحريو مريج امس متى جو بايدن تمريسو مالتي سلازي اتي بريزيدنت فلاديمير بوتين سي كاب قدمي مريتنا حزوان يرنو بالي تاب تاريخ زملسوم زلو حرازي حرق قلتن كبلو اي 2015 حزوا 2014 ناي غزي حتو تمي نتب غنا بزنتايو 2014 راشا ان مريت ناي يوكرين كم داتوت
2014 and 2015.
Yeah. So
I was not here.
Yeah, but
That's exactly right.
انا مراحيني وركن شعور 2014 سنه تمرصكو نيره سو بزعبا زل حنت غبرايك نيره يزول زلو ترامب.
yes, but during 2014 till 2022, the situation the same. The people are been dying on the contact line. Nobody.
كاب 2014 جميرهم بن سبات يموتون يروم كساب حج كتاب 2014 كساب 2025 مالتي
stopped him. You know
ناي راشا بريزيدنت تطولو بلو سباي نبرن
that we had conversations with him, a lot of conversation, my bilateral conversation, and we signed with him, me, like a new president, in 2019, I signed with him the deal. I signed with him, Macron and Merkel, we signed ceasefire. Ceasefire. All of them told me that he will never go. We signed him with gas contract. Yes, but after that, he broken this ceasefire. He killed our people and he didn't exchange prisoners. We signed the exchange of prisoners, but he didn't do it. What kind of diplomacy?
هجيت دبلوماسي بهذا انتايو زلنسكي حتى زلو حتى 2019 سنه حدش بريزيدنت خلينا مستمرسكو مش فلاديمير بوتين ناي سمع بيس تفرمنا ليرنا شعوب بزحت وتهدرات ناي اسرات اسرنياتات ملواء ستسامعنا ليرنا انت دبلوماسي قوم يزبل انت قلنا كن انتم اسرات فتحوا اي ملسلنا انت عنا دبلوماسي زي امبر فرمنا ليرنا انا سمع ناي فرانس بريزيدنت زنبرو مش بزحت كنا يوروبيان يونيون مرحت زنبرو فرمنا ليرنا هنا كم تسمع كن اي تجبر
JD, you are speaking about. What do you mean?
أجي أنت عنا دبلوماسي خاتم زلها JD Vance اللي أبزاي حطوا إن JD Vance.
I'm talking about the kind of diplomacy that's going to end the destruction of your country.
Yes, but if you
Mr. President,
أنا بزعبات السلام كم تدخل دبلوماسية الزارب زول أبزيهم حج حارن كلتن كبال إذا كيف قارس قص معك مجرش أقول سألكم
with respect, I think it's disrespectful for you to come into the Oval Office and try to litigate this in front of the American media. Right now, you guys are going around and forcing conscripts to the front lines because you have manpower problems. You should be thanking the president for trying to bring it into this conflict.
Have you ever been to Ukraine that you say what problems we have?
I have been to.
Count once.
I've actually watched and seen the stories, and I know what happens is you bring them on a propaganda tour, Mr. President. Do you disagree that you've had problems bringing people into your military? And do you think that it's respectful to come to the Oval Office of the United States of America and attack the administration that is trying to prevent the destruction of your country?
أجي أبس عادسي يوكرين عبش قدرت إموالو أتشجرت إموال لها حاله أب أمريكا متسخة أب وايت هاوس متسخة نحن خمجلك كتزاربنا خمانسي مسألة بالكان وحلاف النتي بالكان يجبلو زلو يمكن دي يقني اللي الكاب تحت نات حتى تكمل كتزارب سي مسألة بالكان مهناتو سب حاجز أمريكا خاص حاجز أن حكاية لها بحاجز أمريكا هم صار حجي زلهم يجل زلهم مناتو يوكرين حسرت وتهدرت على واب ساعات زي مناتو بزحات سبات أبو جدود عسكرنا إذا قاتم زلهم forceful conscription بلوزها زخونة من إسي زخونة أبق استفلي استحاضر كل عدمة كو 10 منتج ساب سوساي يخون زخونة عدمة مالتي نسوم نعدو مالهم كونديشن أبز كل عدمة زلهم من إسي كابت عد غوت في قرني وتهدر كونا له ما تكاله خلا له هاجرو ስለዚህ ሕፃቶ ተሃድረግ ኣይገጠመን እንዲ ካትብል ዘለኻ ኣይገጠመና እንዲ ካትብል ዘለኻ ኢሉ ጄዲ ቫንስ ሓቶ ዘሎ ሽዑ ግልብጥ ኢሉ ዘለንስኪ ኻ መፂኻ ትፈልግ ዲኻ ዩክሬን ኮሚልካ ትዛረብ ርኢኸያ ብዓይንኻ ኢልዎ ኖ ብዓይነ ይረኣኹን እንተኾነ ግን ኩሉ እቲ ዝመፀ ካብ ሓበሬታታት ርአዩ እየ ስለዚ ሕፅርቶ ተሃድራት ኣሎ ስለ ከመይ ኢልካ ከምኡ ትብል ዘለኻ ሓደን ክልተን ይበሃሉ ኣለዉ እዚ
A lot of questions. Let's start from the beginning.
Sure.
First of all, during the war, everybody has problems. Even you, but you have nice ocean and don't feel now, but you will feel it in the future.
እንታይ ኢልዎ ኣብ ውግእ ከጋጥም ከሎ ዝኾነ ሃገር ሽግር ገጥማ ንቡር እዩ ኣብ ሰዓት ሕጂ ንኣሜሪካ ኣብ ሰዓት ሽግር የብልኩም ዝኾነ ውግእ ተገጢምኩም ግን ዝኾነ ተገጢምኩም ጽባሕኩም ክስማዓኩም እዩ ሕጂ ለይስማዓኩም ደሎ ኢልዎም ኣብዚኣ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ባክ ክብል እዩ
God bless.
You don't know that.
God bless. God bless. You will not have a war.
Don't tell us what we're going to feel. We're trying to solve a problem. Don't tell us what we're going to feel.
I'm not telling you.
Because
I'm
you're in no
answering all
position
these
to
questions.
dictate that.
That's
Remember
exactly what
this.
you're
doing.
You're in no position to dictate what we're going to feel.
You
We're going to feel very
you will
good.
feel influence.
We're going to feel very
I'm
good and
telling
very
you,
strong.
You will feel influence.
You're right.
ብዙሕ ጽልዋ ክስማዓኩም እዩ ይብሎ ኣሎ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ካ ንዓና እንታይ ስምዓናን ኣይስምዓናን ኣይትነግረናን ኢኻ ንዓናስ እንታይ ኣጋጥመናስ ክትነግረና ኣይትኽእልን ኢኻ ንስኻ ደለኻ ደረጃ ንዓና እዝን ግበሩን ኣይትግበሩን ክትብለናስ ሞራል ይብልካ ብሓፂሩ ብሕፅር ዝበለ ንስኻስ ንዓና ከምዚ ክትብለናስ ኣይትኽእልን ኢኻ ሳላ ኣሜሪካ ኻ ሳብ ሕጂ ዝውግእ እዚ ሒዝካ ዘለኻ ፀኒሕካ ዘለኻ ሳላ ኣሜሪካ ኣብ ዘለኻ ደረጃ ኮንካ ንዓና ጽባሕ ንጎ ከምዚ ከጋጥም ክትብለና ኣይትኽእልን ኢኻ ወልሓንቲ በምንም ተኣምር
Right now, not in a very good position. You've allowed
From
yourself to be in a very bad position, and he happens to be right about
From the
it.
very beginning of the war.
You're not in a
Mr.
good
Brown,
position.
ኣብ ጽቡቕ ቦታ ኣብ ጽቡቕ ደረጃ የለኻ ንስኻ ከንድልካ ንዓና ክትካትዓና ንዓና ከምዚ ክትብለናስ ከንድልካ ክትመኽረናስ ኣይትኽእልን ኢኻ ዘለኻ ደረጃስ ረዳእካ ብጣዕሚ እዮም ነዲሮም እዮም ዘለዉ እዚ እዚ ክገርመኩም ላይቭ ይድርአ ደሎ ከምዚ ድሕሪ ቅድሚ ሕጂ ኣጋጥሚ ይፈልጥኒ ዝኾነ ዓይነት ፕሬዚደንት ምስ ፕሬዚደንት ዲፕሎማሳዊ ስምዕ ወይ ዝኾነ ክስታይ ገብሩ ከለዉ ኣብ ዕፁ ማዕፆ እዩ ዝካየድ እዚ ግን ብድሕሪ መጋረጃ ዝግንዲ ዝካየድ ሲ ከፊቶም ዜናታት ዓዲሞም ንዕመ እንሀ ኢሎም ትራንስፓረንሲ ይብልዎ እዚ
You don't have the cards
ትግርኛኻ ግሉጽነት ማለት እዩ
right now. With us, you start having
Not playing cards.
Right now, you
I'm
don't.
very
You're playing
serious,
cards.
Mr. President.
You're
I'm
playing
very
cards.
serious.
You're gambling
I'm the
with the
president
lives
in
of
war.
millions of people.
You think
ትጣልዕ ኢኻ ዘለኻ ናይ ሚልዮናት ኣሽሓት ብሂወት ወድሰብ ትጣልዕ ኣለኻ እዩ ዝብሎ ዘሎ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ኣነ ሲሪየስ እየ ጣልዕ የለኹን እዩ ዝብሎ ዘለንስኪ
Gambling with World War III.
What do you think
You're
about?
gambling with
What do you
World
think
War III. And what you're doing is very disrespectful to the country, this country,
I'm
that's
with
back
all
to you.
respect to your
Far
country.
more than a lot of
እዚ ብጣዕሚ ኢኻ ንዕቐት ኣብ ልዕሊ ኣሜሪካ ካ ተርኢ ዘለኻ ንሕና ልዕሊ ኩለን ሃገራት ጌርናልኩም ኢና እዚ ንዕቐት እዩ ኣብ ልዕሊ ኣሜሪካ ሳልሳይ ውግእ ዓለም ከተላዓል ትፍትን ኣለኻ እዚ ትኸዶ ዘለኻ መንገዲ ንሳልሳይ ውግእ ዓለም ከልዕል ጥራይ እዩ ንሰላም ንገስግስ እዩ ዝብሎ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ
people said they should have.
Have you said thank you once? This
A lot
entire
of
meeting?
times.
No, in this
Even
entire meeting,
today.
have you said thank
Even
you?
today.
You went to Pennsylvania and campaigned for the opposition in October. Offer some words of appreciation for the United States of America.
ኣብ ቅድሚ ሕጂ ኣብ ፔንሲልቬንያ ከይዱ ነይሩ ዘለንስኪ ሓገዝ ክሓት ማለት እዩ ካብቲ ዝነበረ ፕሪቪየስ መሪሕነት ማለት እዩ ናይ ጆ ባይደን ማለት እዩ ሕጂ ኦልሬዲ እስኻስ ኣብዛ ኣኼባ እዚኣ ካብቲ መፅሲ የቐኒየልና ኢልካ ዶ ኣመስጊንካ ዶ ንኣሜሪካ ንኣሜሪካ የቐኒየለይ ስለትገብሮ ዘለኹም ሓገዝ ኢልካ ዶ ኣብዛ ኣኼባ እዚኣ ከም ትመፅእ ኢሉ ጄዲ ቫንስ ሓቶ ዘሎ
And the president who's trying to save your country.
Please, you think that if you will speak very loudly about the war, you
He's
can.
not speaking loudly. He's not
Yeah.
speaking loudly. You
በጃኻ ሕጂ ንጄዲ ቫንስ ኢሉ ዓዊልካ ስለተዛረብካሲ ማለት ዝቕየር ነገር ኣሎ ማለት እዩ ማለት ዓዊልካ ይትዛረብ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ኣብ ዝኽልፍ ኣቢልዎ ዓዊል ይኮነ ዝዛረብ ዘሎ ኣሽሊ ዝዛረብ ዘሎ ዓዊል ተዛረበ ናይ ብጥቅም ግርሚት ለካ ክሰሙ ከለኻ
country's in big trouble.
Can I
Wait a
answer?
minute. No.
Can
You've
I
done a lot
answer?
of talking.
ሓንሳ ክዛረብ ኢሎ ኖ ብዙሕ ተዛሪብካ ኢኻ ዝኣክል ሃገርካ ኣብ ሕማቕ ደረጃ ናብ ሕማቕ ኩነታት እና ዘላ ዝኣክል ተዛሪብካ ኢኻ ንስኻ
Your country is in big trouble.
I know.
You're not winning.
I know.
You're not winning this. You have a damn good chance of coming out.
ሃገርካ ኣብ ሕማቅ ኩነታት ዘላ በዚ ትኸሮ ዘለካ መንገዲ ኣይክትዕወትን ኢኹም ይርዳእካ ኣሎ ድዩ
Okay, because of
Mr.
us.
President, we are staying in our country, staying strong from the very beginning of the war. We've been alone, and we are thankful. I said thanks
You haven't
in
been
this
alone.
cabinet,
You
and
haven't
not
been
only
alone.
in this
We
cabinet.
gave you through
I
this.
said,
እዚ ውግእ ካብ ልጅመር ኣቶ ፕሬዚደንት ስምዓኒ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ዝምልሰሉ ዘሎ ፕሬዚደንት ዘለንስኪ ማለት እዩ እዚ ውግእ እዚ ካብ ልጅመር ንሕና በይንና ኢና እዚ ውግእ ተቃሊስናዮ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ካለ በይንካ ይተቃለስካ ኣሜሪካ ሓግዛትኩም እያ ኣብ ጎንኩም ኢና ነርና
Stupid president, 300.
ሓደ ጆ ባይደን ይፀሪፍዎ ማለት እዩ ስቱፒድ ኢኻ እዩ ዝብሎ ዘሎ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ እሱ እዩ እዚ ኩሉ ሽግር ዘምፅእ ዘሎ
$150 billion.
You voted
We gave
for
you
your
military equipment,
You
and your
voted
men
for
are
your
brave,
president.
but they had to use our military.
What about West
If you didn't have
You
our
invited
military
me-
equipment,
you invited
if
me
you
to
didn't
speak.
have our military equipment, this war would have been over in 2 weeks.
In 3
okay?
days, I heard it from Putin. In 3 days, this is something
Maybe
new.
less.
In 2 weeks, of course, yes.
It's going to be a very hard.
እዚ ናትና ሓገዝ ልዕሊ 350 ቢልዮን ዶላር ዝኸውና ንዓኹም ሓጊዝናኩም ናትና ሓገዝ ተዘይህልወኩም ነይሩ ከዓ እዚ ውግእ እዚ ኣብ ውሽጢ 3 መዓልቲ ምስ ተወድአ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ተይሩ ኣብ ውሽጢ 2 ሰው ምስ ተወድአ ኢሉ ዘለንስኪ ካ ትቕበል ኣቢሉ እወ ዋላ ቭላድሚር ፑቲን ሲ ኣብ 3 መዓልቲ እዚ ውግእ እዚ መወዳእና ይኽብልና ሰሚዕናዮ ስለዚ እዚ ዘረባ ሰሚዐ የፈልጠን ሓድሽ ነገር ኣይኮነን እዩ ዝብሎ ዘሎ ብጣዕሚ ምስካትዑ ዘለዎ ከላይ ኣብረ ርእሲኦም ዝዛረቡ ዘለዉ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ተዛረበ ዘለንስኪ ይምልስ ኣሎ ብጣዕሚ ዝነደረ መልሲ እዩ ነይሩ
Hard thing to do business like this. I
And
tell you.
just say thank you.
I said a lot of times to American people.
Accept that there are disagreements, and let's go litigate those disagreements rather than trying to fight it out in the American media when you're wrong. We know that you're wrong.
But you see, I think it's good for the American.
ተጋጌልካስ ኬካ ተቐቢልካ እዚ ጉዳይ እዚ ንክትፈትሖ ንሰላም ንኸይድ እምበር ኣብ ሜድያ ከምቢልካ ተዛሪብካ ድመፅእ ለውጢ የለን ዋላ ፍልሊና ኣወጊናስ ነገር እዚ ከም ንፍታሕ ክንገብሮ ኣለና
People to see what's going on.
I understand, sir.
I think it's
I
very
understand.
important. That's why I kept this going so long. You have to be thankful. You don't have the
I'm
cards.
thankful.
You're buried there. Your people are dying.
tell you
You're
again,
running
I
low on
know.
soldiers. Listen,
Don't please,
you're running
Mr.
low on
President.
soldiers. It would be a damn good thing.
Mr.
And
President.
then you tell us, I don't want a ceasefire. I don't want a ceasefire. I want to go and I want this. Look, if you could get a ceasefire right now, I tell you, you take it so the bullets stop flying and your men stop getting.
እዚ ውግእ እዚ ንኸቋርፅ ንሕና እዚ ውግእ እዚ ሲስፋየር የጋጥም እንታይ ኣልና ንስኻ ኣይቋርፅ ነይ ትብል ኣለኻ ስማዕኒ ንሰላም ንጉየ እዚ ውግእ እዚ ክቋረፅ ኣሎ ግድን ክቋረፅ ኣለዎ ንሕና ኣቋርፅ ውግእ ዝብለካ ንስኻ ኣይቋርፅ ነይ ውግእ ትብለና ኤኣይቲ ይነፍር ኣሎ ወዲ ሰብ ይመውት ኣሎ እንታይ ካ ትገብር ኣለኻ
Of course, we want to stop the war.
But you're saying you don't want a
but I
ceasefire?
said to you,
I want a ceasefire.
with guarantees.
Because you'll get a ceasefire faster than an agreement.
Ask how
ኣነ እዚ ውግእ እዚ ከቋርፅ ሪኢሉ እየ ኢሉ ዘለንስኪ እንተኾነ ግን ኣብቲ መሬትና ወተሃደራት ክልዩና ፅባሕ ንጎ ዝኾነ ውራ ካብ ራሻ ንኸይመፀና ብሓፂር ጋራንቲ ደሉ ኣለዎ ዘለንስኪ
people about ceasefire, what they think.
That
It
wasn't
doesn't
with
matter
me.
for you what
That
what
wasn't
is-
with me.
It
That was
wasn't
with
with you.
a guy named Biden who was not a smart person.
This
That
is
was
your,
with,
this
that was
is
with
your
Obama.
president. It was your president.
Excuse me. That was with Obama, who gave you sheets, and I gave you javelins.
Yes.
I gave you the javelins to take out all those tanks. Obama gave you sheets. In fact, the statement is Obama gave.
ጆ ባይደን ዝሃበካ እንታይ ትብሎ ዘለንስኪ እወ እቲ ቀድሕ ናይ ዝሓለፈ መንግስቲ ከምዚ ገይሩ ከምዚ ሂቡኒ እሱ ዝሓለፈ መንግስቲ ናይ ሕጂ ተዛረብ ናይ ሕጂ ንሕና ኣነ እዝንትን ሓገዝ ሂበካ ኣለኹ እዚ ኣብ ሰዓት እዚ ግን እዚ ውግእ እዚ ከቋርፅ ኣለዎ ብዝኾነ ብግዜ ባይደን ከምዚ ተቐቢልካ ብግዜ ከዓ ሕጂ ካልእ ትቕበል ኣለኻ እዚ ውግእ እዚ ከቋርፅ ኣለዎ ሓደን ክልተን እዮም ዝበሃሉ ዘለዉ
Gave sheets and Trump gave javelins. You got to be more thankful, because let me tell you.
ከተመስግን ክትክእልስ ኣለካ ናይ ግድን
You don't have the cards. With us, you have the cards. But without us, you don't have any cards.
ምሳና እንተራኸምካ ዕድል ኣለካ ነዚ ውግእ እዚ ብሰላም ክትወፁ ወይ እቲ ሃገር እዚኣ ድሒና ክትወፅእ ብዘይ ባእና ግን እውን ሓንቲ ክድሕና ይትኽእልና ይክሬን
Mr. Vice President, I'm sorry.
It's going to be a tough deal to make because the attitudes have to change.
What if Russia breaks ceasefire? What if Russia breaks?
ብጣዕሚ ከቢድ ዝኾነ ስምዕ እዩ ክኸውን ምክንያቱ ከምዚ ዓይነት ጠባይ ከምዚ ዓይነት ሒዝና ወል ሓንቲ ሰላም ክንረክብ ኣይንኽእልና ከቢድ ዝኾነ ጉዳይ እዩ ዘጋጥመና ዘሎ ابز خانت لهم حتى لو انت دا اسك انت دا بحطو قالو انا انت دا حطو كيفوتون انت هنا انت دا راشا نزناي سلام غداي ايسمعني لا استخغاطمي
What do you do then? I understand that it's a heated conversation right
What are you
now.
saying?
She's asking, what if Russia breaks the ceasefire?
What if anything? What if a bomb drops on your head right now? Okay? What if they broke it? I don't know. They broke it with Biden because Biden, they didn't respect him. They didn't respect Obama. They respect me. Let me tell you, Putin went through a hell of a lot with me.
هو حكي انت دا راشا وري عندنا نت السيس فاير نت ناي سلام سمع فانتيزا مليسات كعاخ انت دا راشا خمس جيراخ انت دا انتي حج دونالد ترامب كملسك له انتي اللي ملسو انت دا ابز غزا زلناس بومبا حاريموخه انت دا اب امريكا قال بومبا حاريم انت دا قلقات انت دا عيلكاس كتزارب ساعت خلني خاب حاتشرو انت دا قاتيم قدم المرحي جو بايدن كل يخبرون يرم ريسبكت اينبرو ما بلعلي اخبروت اينبرو عب ساعات زي نعا يخبرونني يفرهونني يوم الريسبكت الله ما بلعلي ساز اي وعلون يوم
He went through a phony witch hunt where they used him and Russia. You ever hear of that deal? That was a phony Hunter Biden, Joe Biden scam. Hillary Clinton, Shifty Adam Schiff. It was a Democrat scam.
إذا حجي انتي يبدو دونالد ترامب اسو دونالد ترامب نخمرصلو زنبره اوان انتي يلوم يخصون يرم دونالد ترامب سي مس راشا تسمامي يخمرص كيلو يلوم سي ثم ديموكرات سبحالو يزارمون يرم ناي جو بايدن منግስት مالتي بتعم يخصون يرم دونالد ترامب مش تريو هيركم بيت فري مص نيرو استفالي اوانات اسكامي نيرو حجي نشمين شم ناي راشا مراحي فلاديمير بوتين انها تقومو انا دبل اسكامي تسريحهم تنكولهم سريحهم سلازي قلت يزاله
And he had to go through that. And he did go through it. We didn't end up in a war.
እዚ ኩሉ ንሽሙ ከጸልሙ ከለው እዚ ኩሉ ክዛረቡ ከለው ብዛዕቡ ኣብ ምስ ኣሜሪካ ኣብ ውጋይ ኣተወን ስለዚ እዚ ሰብ እዚ ኣብ ልዕሊ ሪስፔክት ኣለዎ ቭላድሚር ፑቲን እዩ ኣብ ድለሎ
And he went through it. He was accused of all that stuff. He had nothing to do with it. It came out of Hunter Biden's bathroom. It came out of Hunter Biden's bedroom. It was disgusting. And then they said, oh, the laptop from hell was made by Russia. The 51 agents. The whole thing was a scam. And he had to put up with that. He was being accused of all that stuff. All I can say is this. He might have broken deals with Obama and Bush, and he might have broken them with Biden. He did, maybe. Maybe he didn't. I don't know what happened. But he didn't break them with me. He wants to make a deal. I don't know if you can make a deal. The problem is, I've empowered you to be a tough guy. And I don't think you'd be a tough guy without the United States. And your people are very brave. But you're either going to make a deal or we're out. And if we're out, you'll...
ሕጂ ኣብ ሰዓት እዚ ንዘለንስኪ ናይ መጨረሻ መጠንቀቕታን መልስን ይስበዘሉ እሱ ኸ ኣሜሪካ እንተዳ ሓገዛ ኣቋሪፃ ንሕና ንሕዳ ሓገዝና ገዲፍናዮ ወዲኩም ኢኹም ንሱ ኣኺልኩም እዩ ክጠፉ ኢኹም ኣይንሕግዘኩምና ክትሰዓሩ ኢኹም ስለዚ ንሕና ብሰዓት እዚ ሓይልን ጎንን ፀግዕ ንኾነኩም ዘለና ኣሜሪካ ኢና ስለዚ ኣሜሪካ ሓገዛ እንተዳ ኣቋሪፃ የለኹምን ስለዚ ክትሰምዓና ክትክእል ኣለካ ንዓና ሕዳ ክትሰምዓና ይትኽልኮንካ ሕና ወዲና ኢና ዳስኢት ክንእለ ኢና ክንወፅእ ኢና ካብዚ ሓገዝ ኣይንሕግዘካና
fight it out. I don't think it's going to be pretty, but you'll fight it out. But you don't have the cards. But once we sign that deal, you're in a much better position. But you're not acting at all thankful. And that's not a nice thing. I'll be honest, that's not a nice thing. All right.
ከተመስግን ክትክእል ኣለካ እስትገብሮ ዘለካ ባህርያትን ኣካይዳን ወልሓንቲ ናብ ወልሓንቲ ኣየብፅሓካን እዩ ይቐኒለክ ትብል ኣለካ ንሰላም ከዓ ክትጎይ ኣለካ ክትፍርም ክትክእል ኣለካ ሰላም ከጋጥም ክኽእል ኣለዎ
I think we've seen enough. What do you think?
What's this negotiation?
This is going to be great television, I will say that. All right. We'll see what we can do about putting it together. Thanks.
ሕራይ ይኣኽለና ካብ ዝኒአው ኣይንቕፅልና ይድብል ዘሎ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ እዚ ገለ ዓይነት መዕለሊ ክኾን እዩ ቴሌቭዥን እንተኾነ ግን ካብ ዝኒአው ኣይክንቅፅልና ይኣኽለና ይድብል ዘሎ ሕራይ እዚ ዝተማዕኩሞ ኣብ መንጎ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ፕሬዚደንት ናይ ዩክሬን ዘለንስኪ ከምኡውን ቫይስ ፕሬዚደንት ጄዲ ቫንስ ዝተኻየደ ውዑይ ክትዕይ ነይሩ ምሳይ ፅንሓኩም ኣዝየ ደመስግነኩም ነዞም ሓደሽቲ ተኸታተልቲ ቻነል ሰብስክራይብ ምግባር ደገፍኩም ኣይፈለየና ኣብ ቀፃሊ ብካልእ ዜና ክሳብ ምራኸብ ብፅዑ ድሓንኩም ሰሰናዩ
شوكي تجي تتعطى ولا تعجي ጓ